Hi guys, so we're back from Center Parcs now, and I've got a few product reviews to do. This was waiting for me when I came home from Center Parcs. The Stone Stream shower head. It's supposed to be an amazing shower head that's supposed to increase water pressure by 200%, conserves water usage by 35%, and it's supposed to clean and purify the water. So all these little beads and that are in it. So yeah, I'll show you how to install, how I'm going to install this, and we'll see if it actually makes a difference. Hopefully it does. It's supposed to. We'll see. So this is it. Yeah, as you can see, it's just a shower head with some beads inside of it apparently, but it's supposed to be a wonderful thing, and hopefully it really increases my showering experience. So here we have the new shower head. I'm literally just going to take my old one off. Actually, I'll show you what the old one's like before I take it off. So basically, it's not great at all. It is literally just sort of falls out. There's no power there at all. It's yeah, it doesn't spray up at all. But if I hold it there, you might be able to see how far it sprays up, which is nothing. So let's just turn that off. In a few seconds. Right, so we'll unscrew this. This is just a standard lead, not a special one or anything. Take that off. That out. Just screw it onto here. Right. Let's see what happens. You can see it filling up. And that is, yeah, that's, wow, yeah, that seems a lot more powerful. It's got 3 different settings on it. So it's just like a mist, and then it's got the middle bit as well, and then just the middle bit, which is quite powerful. That's nearly hitting the roof. Wow. Okay. That is, yeah, interesting. The water's sat inside it. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. I don't know. Let's put it up. And I suppose the proof will be. So I've just stepped out the shower, and excuse me. And I don't know if I'm massively convinced if that shower head is as good as what they were saying it is. I mean, if it saves water, then it's, you know, it's brilliant. It feels like you're showering in a bit of a mist, because the holes on the head where the water comes out are so small. It's basically just like a mist. There's no pressure on you at all. It feels like you just sort of, there's nothing hitting you. I'm going to keep it in there and try it out and see what I feel after about a week. But yeah, it could have been a good decision. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I was expecting too much. Maybe they were hyping it up more than what. I don't know. I don't know if that would work on a power shower. Maybe. But yeah, buy one. See what you think. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.